So Pythagoras' theorem works when you have a right angled triangle as follows. As you can see, that's the right angle. The opposite side, the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. And this is always the longest side. Okay, so always the longest side. The other two sides, you can label them A and B. So I usually label the base as A and the height as B. And this side, the hypotenuse, is always going to be C. Now, in order for you to work out the hypotenuse, what you need to do is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So let's say, for example, we had a base of 3, a height of 4, and we will try to find the hypotenuse. So you would do 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. That's going to be 9 plus 16 equals C squared. That's 25 equals C squared. Now don't forget, we are looking for C on its own. So we need to square root both sides. So square root of 25 will equal C. And that means that it's going to be 5. So C equals 5. Now if this was centimeters, then this would be centimeters also.